Next thereafter, step 3, exempted incomes. That is certain incomes are excluded while calculating the total income. As again, in simple terminology, exempted incomes. As again, section 10 is the best example. As again, exempted incomes. Section 10. As again, section 10. 10 subsection 1, 10 subsection 2, 10 subsection 2, number of sections we will discuss later. As again, these incomes are exempted. Step 4. After residential status classification, step 4 is called as the computation of income under each head. As again, major steps are dayapate mana syllabus ayipinante. Computation of income under each head. Computation of income under each head of income. Next, computation. That means that the computation is based on the as per the SG relevant provisions as per the SG relevant head of income. Step 5. Aggregation of other persons in income included in the SSC's total income. Aggregation of other persons income included in the SSC's total income. Simple terminologies are clubbing of income. That's all. Clubbing of income. Okay. That is a section 602. Okay. 69. Observe change, sir. Other sources 50 to 59. Next thereafter, my unit lo bittundamma. Next step 6. Step 6. Set off of and carry forward of losses. Set off of and carry forward of losses. Important, sir. Simple chapter, very important. Both step 5 and also step 6. Yes, general gross total income ante andaru em cheptaru sir ante aggregation of 5 heads of income. That is wrong. Yes, again, after adjusting the clubbing of remuneration, after adjusting the set off of and carry forward of losses. That is section 70 to 79. Next thereafter you have to arrive the step 7. That is called as the gross total income. Gross total income. Step 8. Deductions. Deductions under chapter 6A. Yes, chapter 6A or 80C to 80U. 80C to 80U. Yes, step 9. Yes, how to claim the deductions from the gross total income. How to have the total income. Yes, again, on step total income, taxable income, or net income, or last one is assessed income. Yes, మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే కనుక tax is levied on the total income of a person related to the previous year. Okay, this is the step 9, total income. Okay, navagraha sankhya. Okay, Parameshwaruడి ఇష్టమైన సంఖ్య. Very important. Okay, tax rates. Next thereafter tax rates apply చేద్దాం సార్. tax rates ఎలా అనేది రేపు చూద్దాం. రేపు క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ పక్కనే పెట్టుకోవాలండి. Okay, very important. Okay, రేపు కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేపిస్తాను. అడిషనల్ గా కొన్ని పాయింట్స్ కొత్త పాయింట్స్ కూడా చెప్తాను. స్పెషల్ రేట్స్ ఆఫ్ ట్యాక్స్ మీరు ఈ రోజు వరకు నేను చెప్పినవి కూడా మీకు డెఫినేషన్స్. ఇన్కమ్ ట్యాక్స్, ఇట్ ఈస్ అ ట్యాక్స్ levied on the total income of a person related to the previous year. Previous year is over, total income is over, person is over. SK total 9 steps. SK tax is levied on the total income or taxable income or net income. These are total income shall be rounded off to the nearest multiple of 10 rupees. That is according to section 288A. Total income shall be rounded off to the nearest multiple of 10 rupees. For suppose my total income is 5,65,000, SK 657. 65,657. That is rounded off to the 5,65,660. For suppose my total income is 5,20,892. That is rounded off to the 5,20,890. The last digit is SK 5 or more than 5. It shall be rounded off to the next multiple of 10 rupees. Very important, sir. Without rounding of the SK total income, you can't do the tax liability. That means the total income shall be rounded off to the nearest multiple of 10 rupees. That is as per section 288A. SK is next. Tomorrow SK we will discuss tax rates. SK tax rates for the assessment year 2021. Tax rates for the assessment year 2021. For assessment year 2021, what is the previous year? The previous year 2019-20. SK next tax rates rate. So, no, sir. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day. We will take it up tomorrow. SK next. Okay. Any doubts unte SK నా నెంబర్కి కాల్ చేయండి. సారీ సార్. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.